back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or first impressions. So today I wanted to create a very romantic look, and I create this look using this smoke palette right here. And the reason why I really love this palette is because it's cruelty free, #1, and it's very pigmented. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.